after a decade of being friends and admiring from afar, then you start to see someone differently, and you see even more. The first thing you learn is she's not particularly soppy, and she's terrible at taking compliments, so she's not going to like this bit. We actually differ in that respect, and that's about the only way. Nels, you may be the most impressive person I know, but more than that, you are kind and generous and loving and loyal. Ever since our early days together, you showed me a level of commitment that I never thought I would receive, and of which I shall always strive to be worthy. It's an amazing thing when you meet someone with whom you can share your hobbies and your interests and your business venture and your hopes and your dreams and your lockdown, and then you get to marry them. Now, as I know together, there is nothing we cannot do. You are the greatest thing that's ever happened to me, because you saved me, and I love you.
Don't hide away, for the night was made for times like these. Let the dark hold your pain in a whisper, only we could understand.
I, Matthew Alexander, take you, Helena Catherine, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death us do part.
I, Helena Catherine, take you, Matthew Alexander, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death us do part.
Helena, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage. With my body, I honor you. All that I am, I give to you. All that I have, I share with you.
Matthew, I receive this ring as a sign of our marriage. With my body, I honor you. All that I am, I give to you. All that I have, I share with you.
Ένα φίλι μεγάλο.
Hi everyone.
Oh, that's loud. That's loud.
What a lucky guy Matthew is. Yeah.
Yeah, you did it!
Our groom proposed not far from here, down in Trullos Bay. He loaded Noah into a boat and off they sailed away. They flickered around in the wind like a Jolly Roger. Matt stood up, bared his ring, and Nell said, "Yes, I'll be a podger."
Hang on.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Sit tight.
Sit tight.